This is a new YouTube channel we've set up called DIY Car Fix, and starting off so it's simple. Vauxhall Astra H boot lock. We've got this issue. The tools I'm going to be using to change this: a pick, T40, ratchet, and extension. You don't need it, but it just makes it easier. I'm going to start off by popping this off. Not causing any damage. That's enough. And some clips around here. These usually just pull down. Don't be scared to pull it, they're just on plastic. One fell out. That happens, not an issue. Pop it back in. Good to go. This is where I'll be using these. And we've got a bolt there, a bolt there, a bolt there. Shouldn't be too tight to take off. Get these off. Takes a bit of time if you don't have power tools. Once they're off, just keep them somewhere safe. Straight in my left pocket. That should just fall out like that. And you have your clip, which should just pull up. You should be able to just pop off, like so. This is the old unit, faulty. So I've got a new one, unopened. And just slide that into place. I'll put the plug in first, whichever. Safety clip fell off. If that happens, just slide it back in, like so. Two. Keeps popping off. Not having much luck with that, are we? These are just the things that can happen, so not every video is straight and simple. Challenges you run across along the way. That is behind that, stopping that. Try again. There we go. Third time's a charm. Make sure that's all locked in. Just sit that in place, nice and easy. I always start these by hand so you don't go cross-threading anything. Make sure you don't tighten one up because it might pull it off centre. Get all your bolts in first before you tighten them. Lovely. Evenly. And that wire there, don't worry about that. This car's had a wiper delete, so I'll just tuck that back in there. Just alternate. Don't need to go crazy on these. Pop that over. We'll test it before we put that back on. There we go. Issue solved. Open. Close it. Move it out of the way. Get this. Make sure your little plastic clips are in place. I'm missing one there. Not too much to worry about. Pop them in. Make sure I'm lined up before you go hitting it. Hear that? And that. Just sits there. And that's how to replace an Astra H boot lock. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe.